Hi my friends and family, today's hijab tutorial is full coverage and comfortable even in the scorching hot summer months, and also budge proof as it doesn't move all day. So let's get into it. At first I'm using a yoga headband as my underscarf. It's great for people prone to headache as it's lightweight and made of jersey. So I tie around my head loosely and make it asymmetrical to give a fringe effect. Next, I fold the front of my scarf like that and place it on my head. Then taking one side long and one side short. Then taking a fold from both ears like this. And then I pinch the top of my scarf to give it a nice look. It makes your face look a little slimmer, not too much. Then I use a safety pin or any kind of lock safety pin to pin the scarf under my chin, on the side of my chin by the way, so that the neck area is breathable and flowy with air and summer friendly. Then I bring a fold from the back of my head so to add some volume, and I pin it in place with these pinwheel pins. These are sewing pins, and in and out motion so that it stays in place. Then with the short part I roll it like a bun like that, and then I pin on the top of my head with the same pins I used before. Try using long pins because they hold a lot better. Now I take the long side and bring it on my head and pin it in place. This way your neck and the back of your neck both is flowy. And then I adjust my hijab, add some volume or reduce it, whatever you like, style it your way. Then I pin with the same pins I used before on the top of my head and on the side of my head. Try pinning it with your underscarf, and if you're not wearing an underscarf, pin with your hair, like in and out motion. Now to pin the long side of the scarf, use a safety pin or a fancy pin and pin with your shirt. By the way, this hijab that I'm wearing is a lightweight cotton scarf that is very breathable for the summer months. And that's done. So that's my breathable full coverage hijab that will not budge all day, and you can work with ease and it will not give you headaches, hopefully. And hope that helped you a lot. And until next time, bye!